Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, I want to share something that can truly transform your life. A simple, yet powerful idea that can help you unlock your full potential and achieve the success you've always dreamed of. Are you ready? Let's dive in. The journey to success often feels overwhelming. You might think, I don't have enough resources, knowledge, or talent. But here's the truth, the biggest obstacle between you and your dreams isn't the lack of resources, it's the lack of resourcefulness. You see, successful people aren't those who never face challenges. They're the ones who adapt, who learn, and who grow through every obstacle. They focus on solutions, not problems. Here's the secret, start small. Take one step forward every day. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be big. Just consistent. Whether it's learning a new skill, saving a little money, or building better habits, every small step adds up. Remember, success isn't about where you start. It's about where you're headed. Set your goals, take action, and trust the process. Even if it feels slow, even if others doubt you, keep going. One day, you'll look back and realize how far you've come. You'll see that every small effort, every single step, brought you closer to your dreams. Believe in yourself, stay consistent, and never give up. Your dreams are worth it. And remember, we're on this journey together. If you found this message inspiring, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and don't forget to subscribe for more motivation every week. See you next time.